no idea how bad I truly want to cry right now. This is the third time that I'm doing this video from the beginning because
2 times I've been on the roll, and 2 times
the freaking mic wasn't on. And I don't know why cameras don't have this setting. If they do have this setting, please let me know in the comment section below because I'm gonna cry. If the mic is not on and is plugged into the camera, can please the on-camera mic override the mic that's not on yet plugged in? If y'all think or know that that works, let me know in the comment section below because you're about to save a man from crying and giving up on this video. So welcome to my channel.
It's Nando.
Thank you for stopping by. And here we go with another video. So this is the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. I've had it for 5 days. It came out February 18. So I don't know when you're watching this video, but basically know that I've used this phone for 5 days. 5 full days. I'm going to keep using it because I love it. And since it's been out, I've used it. So what you see is what you get, is what you buy. And by that I mean stock, case, and screen protector. Huawei, if you're watching this video, I know you're not. I'm a little channel. But you know what? Props to you guys for having the to give us a $10 case for giving us a cheap screen protector beautifully applied. You know why? Because if you don't like the screen protector, you can peel it off. If you don't like the case, you don't have to use it. However, if you buy something else, you don't have to wait and you don't have to be paranoid about your phone while you wait for your Amazon 4 or 5 cases you purchased and your 3 to 4 different tempered glasses that you don't know if it'll work. You at least have something. So in this video, what I'm going to talk about are things right off the dome that I've loved about this phone so far in the first 5 days. And what I just mentioned, I've loved from the second that I saw the freaking phone in its box. And that just turned off behind me, but basically all it said is inandoTV, but there it is. Okay, so love the fact that it comes with screen protector, love the fact that it comes with a case. Please keep doing that. The only other manufacturer that I know that does that is OnePlus. They did it with the 5T, they did it with the 3T and the 3, at least screen protector. I don't know if they've always done it with the case, but regardless, Huawei, love that. Second thing, and to me, the most important thing with a smartphone, it's not the camera, it's not the UI, it's not the hardware, it's not the features. It's the simple fact that we've got a 4,000 milliamp hour battery in a phone this thin, and this is with a case on it. It kills me, it mind boggles me, it bamboozles me that a phone manufacturer chooses not to slap on the biggest possible battery while still remaining safe in their phones. Like, if you're someone out there that absolutely hates having the best battery possible, please let me know in the comment section below because most likely you're a troll, and if you're not, I would love to talk to you. All my geeks, all my friends that I talk to, all the reviewers that I watch on YouTube, nobody says, oh my God, I would love to have the smallest battery possible. Screw having a big battery, screw having better battery life. I would love to always be plugged in all the time. Other than the person who says, you know what, if I could have a removable battery, I'd love that. I don't know someone who says the smaller the battery, the better. So that's it. I don't know it. Mic drop. I don't have one, but just imagine that it dropped. So battery life, king, boom, period, done. My Google Pixel 2 XL has incredible battery life, and this has better battery life. Let me put this in perspective. When I go to work, I'm at work for about 8.5 hours. I go 8 to 4:30, sometimes 5. And while I'm at work, I use my phone for YouTube, for texting, for checking stuff. And by the time I leave work, on my Google Pixel 2 XL, I'm at 50%, sometimes 48, sometimes 51, and 2 hours of screen on time. With the Huawei Mate 10 Pro, those same 2 hours usually are closer to 3, and my battery percentage at the end of the day isn't 48, 50, or 51. It's usually 68, 70, or 71, with it being closer to 3 hours of screen on time. And it gets better. It gets better. I literally feel like I'm that dude who used to tell you, with OxyClean, you can, well, I'm so hyped because I love the battery life on this phone. It gets better. Why? Because it comes with a supercharger. So you plug in the stock supercharger, you put it in the outlet, and it'll go 0 to 30 or 40 in about 20 minutes. It'll go whatever to whatever, so fast, so quick that you almost feel like you never have to fully charge your phone because anytime it gets low enough, you plug it in 10 minutes and it's high enough. Hey, other than the dash charging on OnePlus, I don't know any other phone that does that. Google and all these other Android phones, Samsung, yada, 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 with their quick charge, fast charge, this charge, and that charge, still not as fast as this charge on Huawei Mate 10. All right, so what do we got? So we've got battery life, supercharging. I love it. I love it. Can't say that enough. We've got the fact that this phone comes with a case and a screen protector. Seems stupid and little, however, means a lot to me. And I don't know a person who goes, I hate this. I wish it didn't come with this. And the other thing that I love about this phone, believe it or not, are the features on this phone. Now, I'm going to put features and software, features and UI separate. I'll leave that for another video, maybe my final review, maybe my things to consider video. I don't know if this will be that video. This is just a video that I'm so excited that I had to leave for you from the dome. So what I mean by features, I love that this phone has amazing and fast fingerprint scanner. I love that this phone has these little knock on the screen gimmicks that actually work. I love that this phone has just fast settings. So people give Huawei crap for their UI. And again, I'll leave this for another video. However, the features that come with the UI are amazing. They work well. Sure, every phone has tons of gimmicks. Some work better than others. However, the majority of these gimmicks or the majority of these features on this phone work superbly. I love the fact that I can go from a big screen to a little screen so quickly. Like, y'all see that? Boop, boop. It just works so well. Left-handed, right-handed, just works super well. I never used that before. But the fact that I don't even have to turn it on or off in the settings, I'm sure there's an off setting, I don't know. But it just works so well. I love the fact that when I want to go split screen, I go knock on the screen, drag my knuckle across, and suddenly split screen. I love the fact that I could designate little circles and shapes to do this or that. I love the fact that they just work and work well. I love the fact that when your phone is turned off, you can just pull up from the bottom and suddenly you have your little, you know, what do you want to call it? Not notification drawer, but the thing like your little area that you can access your shortcuts. I'm having a moment. So you have your camera and you have your calculator and you have this and you have that. You have the freaking microphone in case you're at a meeting or this, that, and the other. And I love it. I love it. I can keep going down the list of the features that I love about this phone, but I just like that they work and they work well and it doesn't feel like I have to go out of my way to find them. However, with that being said, the UI, we'll leave that for another video. This video is just things that excite me, things that make me happy, but not everything are roses. And because this video is mostly about right off the dome, right off here, the cabeza, the head, that I think about this phone, I'm going to talk about one quick thing. If you're a Snapchat user and you use Android, you know that Snapchat on Android isn't very good. However, Snapchat on Android on the Huawei Mate 10 seems a little odd. It just doesn't seem to work as well as the Google Pixel 2 XL. I know it has a better camera. And it doesn't seem to work as well as my OnePlus. I don't know if it's just a weird setting, some software thing that needs to be fixed. I don't know. Another thing, camera. Camera on this phone could be hit or miss. Overall, it's not bad. Overall, it's pretty good. I think that this is a very good camera overall. However, in certain situations so far, I've noticed that either the light has to be really on or the setting has to be just right. Because if it's not, and you're outside, for example, in low light, you're going to be a little disappointed and you're going to miss that Google Pixel 2 XL camera because I have. So guys, that's it for this video. Just quick things that I love about this phone and a little sprinkle on top of something that meh, wish it was better. Stay tuned for the next video or the video after that because I'll talk about final review and I'll maybe do a things to consider. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already because I would love it and it's free. It doesn't cost you anything. And then if you don't like my video, you can do a thumbs down, but at least I'm subscribed. You know how that works. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. I will be doing a comparison between this phone and the Google Pixel 2 XL very soon. That's going to be mostly hardware, some software. So let me know what you think about that video when it comes to it. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Like always, the most important thing is to stay geeky. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. It's Nando. Peace, salute, and adios.